and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing with you. I don't remember what's in this box, so we're about to find out together. So I do know it is one of my curl boxes. I've let a few boxes pile up since making my last unboxing. Not on purpose, it's just life happens, so let's just get this open. Turn it upside down so it comes out easier. Pull the box to the side. Here's the curl box. This is something I'm excited to try, and I'm surprised I haven't purchased it yet myself. But these are some of the things from Taraji P. Henson. So this is February's curl box. This is February 2021. Let's see what we got in here. So the first thing I see, okay, I'm dropping stuff. The first thing I see is the Master Cleanse. It's a targeted scalp wash, so I can't wait to try this. It has little, can you see this? For it to get into your scalp, that's really cool. Next is a mint condition, a tingling scalp conditioner. It looks like mine is broken. As you can see, it's not like this one. Not like this one. This one looks broken, so something happened. I guess it looks like it broke in the box, so it probably broke in transit. Next, I see a twisting set. It's a moisture-rich twisting cream. It's in a different color. It's like a gray. This is silicone free. It looks like it's SLS and SLES free. There's some P word that I never know how to say. I'll put that down here. Free, paraben free, cruelty free. This is cool. Define, hydrate, elongate. Then this is a mask on, a moisturizing conditioning mask. It's also in the gray. I wonder what the differences are. So these say curly coily on it. These wash things say all hair types. And then I have one more thing. So I have 5 full-size products. This is a Honey Fresh clarifying shampoo with moisture. So it cleanses, detox, and hydrates. And that's this. So this doesn't say silicone free on it. So I wonder if there's silicones in this. I don't mind. But where is the... I don't know. Oh, it's under here. All right, there's a lot of ingredients in this. My eye will catch it. All right. So I'm gonna smell this because people were complaining about the smell of this. People were complaining about the smell of this brand being too strong. This doesn't smell bad to me. I'm gonna open the twisting set and smell that if I can. Oh, cannot open that. My hand's greasy? Like, what? Let's try the mask. The mask opens easily. I smell like a masculine kind of smell, but it's not a bad smell. I can't wait to try these. I don't know. If I do a twist out or something, then I guess I can just use everything because I have something to wash, condition. That's a scalp conditioner. Maybe I'll buy a few more things. I think they sell them at Target, and then do a whole wash and go. But this is a curl box that I am excited about, so I can't wait to try these. So if you have used any of these Taraji P. Henson hair care line items, please let me know down below. Let me know what's your favorite. Let me know what you think I should buy to try out with the line. Please like this video if you'd like to see more curl box unboxings, and I'll see you next time.